Good morning. I just woke up, if you can't tell, and I am going to get my day started. I started working already. It's about 7:30. The baby is still asleep and Marcy just woke up too. So I'm gonna get her some breakfast, and I think today's video I'm gonna do a what I eat in the day on Weight Watchers. I do get a few points because I am breastfeeding. Like I was saying, I do get more points than most people. I get 41. You see that? I get 41 points. So I just woke up. I took my Synthroid. I have hypothyroidism, so I took my Synthroid. I'm gonna drink a big glass of water, and normally I will not eat until about 12:30, mainly because of like I just like that eating window, but also because this is really the first time I'm able to eat. Milo's normally in a great mood in the morning, so I can get a ton of work done, and then by like 12:30 my day goes to like crap. So anyway, I'm going to make Marcy's breakfast. Then I will show you how I make my coffee in the morning. I just try to keep it under 50 calories because that's why I consider breaking a fast, but I also don't really care. I'm not doing it for any other reason. It just works for me. So come along with me, and hopefully throughout the day I end up looking a little better. This is a shirt that I got from Costco. And Roy said that I probably shouldn't wear it outside because it's not flattering at all, but it is so comfy. So I think I know why so many people buy clothes from Costco. Okay, so for breakfast, Marcy's having oatmeal. She wanted me to film me doing it. So I just put it in the bowl. I put some water in it, stir it up, and put it in the microwave for like a minute and a half. Also, I'm trying to get, this is like strawberries and cream in the packet, and I really want to start making Marcy's oatmeal from scratch because one, it'll probably save money, but two, it says, I'm sure there's like a ton of crap in this. It is Aldi, which I feel like they don't put as much crap, I'm sorry, this is from Aldi, and I feel like they don't put as much crap in it as most companies do, but this is what she has most mornings. Okay, so I started with hot coffee today. I decided to go with that. Just want to ask you guys, do you have an espresso machine? This coffee maker is always saying that it's dirty. Like it says clean, even though I do a vinegar thing all the time. It's just been acting up lately. So I just was wondering, is Nespresso worth the hype? Let me know, because I really want to get one. But I think I've had this one now for 2 years. And Christmas I'll have it for 3 years. So I was just wondering, what do you guys use? Okay, and for my first meal, this is about 12 o'clock. I'm going to have an English muffin that is toasted. I didn't realize I had bought a 9-pack from Costco. But anyway, here I am just oiling up my pan for an egg, but I forgot to film me making the egg. And then I am putting some avocado on the English muffins. This is about half of an avocado. I know Weight Watchers tends to do like 1/4 of an avocado, but I did a half here. And I believe it was about 4 points, and then the English muffin was 4 points, so it's like 8 total. Everything but the bagel is 0 points, so I sprinkle that on both sides. I always end up using too much, honestly. And then I cut up some tomatoes. Don't mind how I cut these up. I don't know how to cut vegetables, or in this case fruit. I just hack them until they are small enough to be on my food. I always pick the wrong knife. Whatever. So I'm going to then put that on top of the avocado toast, and then put the smallest 1 egg I could find on top of the avocado toast. Did I mention I'm not really a egg person? Are you an egg person? I feel like everybody else has dippy eggs or like runny eggs on top of their avocado toast, but for some reason just doesn't sound good to me. So a egg that is completely cooked through, I don't even like it at all to be anything but completely fried. And then here's a beautiful shot of the avocado English muffin. And here's me just desperate for a snack, taking a big bite of a plum. Hey guys, I just figured I'd check in because I took a lot of video without talking because my kids are downstairs, so I just didn't want to keep going through it. But anyway, you can see like my bed's not made yet. I had a stressful morning. I woke up right at 6 and started work, and now work is crazy. So my work is always crazy. So anyway, it's a mess behind me, but I promise I will have it cleaned up for the end of the video and I'll show you how nice it looks. But anyway, I just had lunch. You guys saw I made some avocado toast with English muffins, and I'll add in, I'm gonna try to like edit it so you guys can see what all the points are. What I'm making for dinner tonight is a teriyaki chicken, and I'll tell you guys more about it later. But basically, because I get so many points and I don't really eat a lot because of how much I'm working, I usually splurge all my points at dinner time. So I know that's not for everybody, and some people, I remember when I did Weight Watchers when I was only breastfeeding a little bit, and I didn't get as many points. So it's very different than when you do get a lot of points. Like when you get the normal amount of points for your body type and not breastfeeding. But I will say that I find it way easy to lose weight even with using all 41 points. So we're going over sometimes, which is normal too. I breastfeed a lot and I'm really hungry all the time, so this works out for me. I broke my fast, or whatever you want to call it, around 12. It's now 12:49. I'm logging back into work and I will follow up with you guys tonight. But yeah, just ignore the mess in the back. You guys already know that I'm a mess, so it's not like I'm gonna change it just to film the video. So anyway, I'm gonna log back on to work and get what I can get done and hope for the best because work is insane. So let me know how your day's going. How are Mondays for you? Around this time I get hungry for a snack. It's about 4. I'm allowed to log off of work at 4:30. So I have some watermelon that I'm just gonna eat. Hopefully I can get done like most of this watermelon before it goes bad. Or I might have like carrots or hummus at this time too. But anyway, so I'm gonna eat some watermelon to fill myself up before dinner. I feel like I might have showed you guys that teriyaki chicken recipe before, but it's really good. It is a little salty though, so not the best thing to eat like maybe for a weigh-in day, but it's fine for today. And I'm gonna make some white rice to go along with it. Normally I do brown, but I get like nobody else eats brown rice but me. I'm home all day. Come downstairs, and this is my sink. So I guess just from like all day, this is how full my sink gets. I wish I had a dishwasher, but the dishwasher is me. So I'm gonna end my night by doing the dishes before we start watching 90 Day Fiancé. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, another short and sweet one. I started out wanting to do like what I eat in the day, Weight Watchers, but then I realized, wow, I don't actually eat a lot during the week. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will leave the recipe to that teriyaki chicken below, but I feel like I made it on the videos already. So let me know. But look, I'm posting every day, okay? So subscribe so you see the other videos. Alright, have a good night, guys. See you later. Roy?
Mwah, chef's kiss. This is delicious. Try it out.
It's a really great angle for you, Roy.
Yeah?
No?
You think anyone's going to try to steal me away from you?
Video. Make sure to subscribe. A video and a video. Bye.